Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Slack application in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Slack download. It will then take you to this type of interface. From here, go to Windows download or Mac download or Android download depending upon your device. Then click to download button. Then it will be downloaded to your device. Once the setup has been downloaded, click to setup to your device. This is how you can download or install Slack application in your device. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.